Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Bosch washing machine not starting. Let's dive in. Number first solution is to verify power supply. Check that the washing machine is securely plugged into the working electrical outlet. Avoid using extension cords as they may not provide consistent power. Inspect your home circuit breaker for any tripped switches. If found, reset the breaker to restore power. Number second solution is to inspect the door lock mechanism. The machine wouldn't start if the door is not latched properly. Listen for clicking sound when closing the door to ensure it locks securely. Number third solution is to deactivate child lock feature. If the child lock is engaged, a key symbol or CL may appear on display and the control will be unresponsive. Press and hold the designated buttons for a few seconds to deactivate the child lock feature. Number 4 is to assess control panel setting. Ensure that a proper wash cycle is selected. Check for any delay start timer that might be preventing the cycle from beginning. Look for error codes on the display, refer to the user manual to identify the error and follow the recommended actions to resolve it. Number 5 solution is to examine water supply. Check that the hot and cold water feature connected to the machine are fully open to provide adequate water flow. Ensure that the water inlet hoses are not kinked, twisted or blocked. Straighten any kink and check for debris in the hose filter. Number 6 solution is to evaluate for component failure. A faulty door latch or switch can prevent the machine from starting. If the door doesn't latch securely, the latch mechanism may need replacement. If the control panel is unresponsive or malfunctioning, there may be an issue with the electronic control board. A professional technician might be needed for further diagnosis or repair. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.